In a rain-soaked valley, a lone barn owl chick huddles in a dark storm drain. A wildlife officer rallies a volunteer team, a veterinary nurse, and a neighbor with quiet resolve to free it. They block the drain, coax the frightened bird with gentle whispers, and work to avoid injury as the current swirls. After tense minutes, the owl is warmed with towels, checked for injuries, and released to a cedar tree. Watching it settle above the rain, the team smiles knowing kindness can restore a night to life.